Okay, you blow it.
Blow cake.
No candles.
Blow candle. Blow candle, tatay.
Okay, kanta ka ulit. Sino naman may birthday?
Mama.
Okay.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama.
Cha-cha-cha.
Eat time. Blow candles.
Thank you.
Blow candles, tatay, for Mama. And then Abby. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Buoin mo, happy birthday.
Not you.
O sige, ikaw.
I can throw this in garbage. And then I see the candles.
Okay. Bye.
Happy birthday, Abby. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Abby.
Woohoo!
Hmm?
Happy birthday, Abby. How old are you?
18.
2.
Ang galing. What's your name? My name is...
Oh, wait. Okay dyan. Ano ni tatay? Ay! Sinabi na wag daanan eh. Nag-ano si tatay.